engineering and design process involves a series of different steps to come to a new product or a system, just like the equipment you see here.
Let's relate it to daily life. When you get out of bed, are you automatically ready to go to school or go to work? Exactly. The engineering design process is the same way. You have to go through a series of steps in order to reach a final product.
The steps in the engineering and design process can even be related to one of the most famous plays in San Francisco 49ers history, the catch.
The catch helped lead the 49ers to victory over the Dallas Cowboys on January 10, 1982, and would eventually lead them to their first Super Bowl of 5 in Super Bowl 16. Let's go through this play using the engineering and design process.
Step 1. Identify the problem. This step allows for a clear definition and understanding of the problem and paves the way for a solution.
Coach Bill Walsh knew that the 49ers had to win the NFC Championship game in order to reach the Super Bowl. However, they had a problem. They only had 58 seconds to score a touchdown.
Step 2. Identify criteria and constraints. This step allows for specifications and restrictions to be defined in order to find a possible solution to the problem.
Coach Bill Walsh understood that he had to know what type of defense the Dallas Cowboys had, as well as keep in mind other major constraints, such as time, only having 58 seconds left in the fourth quarter, as well as other things such as downs, as this play was about to take place on third down.
Step 3. Brainstorm ideas. This step allows you to collaborate with your team members to come up with different solutions to solve the problem.
While Coach Bill Walsh was as prepared as possible for the play, he realized that he wasn't also on the field, and who better to ask than quarterback Joe Montana.
Step 4. Generate ideas. Using the brainstorming you just did, you could find unique solutions to your problem.
The 49ers and Coach Bill Walsh had become known for their new and innovative offense, known as the West Coast offense. This prepared them for certain scenarios, including a tough defensive coverage.
Step 5. Exploring possibilities. After looking at each idea, you'll weigh the pros and cons to find the best solution.
Coach Bill Walsh had a variety of plays to pick from, but now it's time to pick which one would give the 49ers success.
Step 6. Selecting an approach. After weighing the pros and cons of each idea, you'll be selecting the best possible solution.
After taking a timeout and thinking it over, Coach Bill Walsh selected the play called Sprint Right Option, in which quarterback Joe Montana would throw the ball to the far right corner so that wide receiver Dwight Clark could jump up, catch the ball, and score a touchdown.
Step 7. Building a model or a prototype. In this step, you're bringing your idea to life and seeing how it'll react in the real world.
In the NFC Championship game, it was all about executing the play that was chosen.
Step 8. Refining the design. Test your ideas. This step, you might have to go back and see what didn't work the first time to make sure that you have the best possible solution.
In the case of the NFC Championship game, the 49ers didn't need to go back to the drawing board. However, if Dwight Clark was unable to catch the ball and make a touchdown, the 49ers would have had to have a different game plan and go back through their steps.
While the rest may be history,
the engineering design process is all around us.
Even in the game of football.